Okay, we're gonna fly Flish RC helicopter here in 20 some miles per hour. Hopefully we're gonna be okay. All the switches are on, up. We're gonna connect up the battery. The helicopter initialize. We're gonna go into GPS. It's looking for satellites now. Very windy conditions today. And hopefully we're getting footage. Okay. All right, we got it. It's a green light. Put the canopy on. Tight. Okay. All right. Make sure the blades are all straight. We don't want to wobble. Okay, 1000 to 1003, run. Woo! Wind is killing it. Very windy, guys. Look at that sock. But this is hands-free in this wind. Beautiful. It's controlling itself in the wind. See that? It's controlling itself in 20 mile per hour winds. See the sock? This is called control, guys. Unbelievable. Hands off and look at the windsock. This was a test for me. See how this thing does. "22 mile per hour winds today here. Look on this side. Rock steady. Staying right where it's supposed to stay. Okay, I'm gonna take her for a little spin. Very windy, but we're gonna go in the valley here. Come down lower. Beautiful. That sock. For the helicopter this size, this is like hurricane winds. Alright, stay right there. In control. Hands up. Alright, we're gonna land. Very windy. I'm bringing her up to the landing spot slowly. Alright, going down. Wow, look at that windsock.